Now let's see how selection tool works. I take file and new, and I don't save changes. I take no. So now I have a new drawing here, and I try now this rectangle tool. I draw some rectangle like here, and I can see in the right lower corner that the dimensions of that rectangle were something like this. I can replace those dimensions right after making the rectangle. I just type something like 2000 semicolon 5000, enter. As you can see, dimensions of that rectangle changed immediately. Or if I want, I can still replace those numbers. I put 5000 semicolon 2000, enter, and now I had different dimensions. But if you navigate or do anything, then you probably can't change those values any longer. I will make another rectangle here like this, and now I have two different surfaces. I try now this select tool. Select tool is this arrow here, or you can press spacebar from keyboard. And here is one surface which I click, and another surface is here. So you can select surface at a time, or you can select any of these edges one at a time. If you select this edge and press delete, it is now erased, and if you click now this surface, you can see that while it was erasing that edge, it was also combining those surfaces together, so now this is one surface. If you double click this surface, that means not only this surface but also its edges are selected. I make one more or couple of more rectangles here. Now if I double click with mouse here, I was selecting the surface and all edges around it. Let's see what happens if I triple click. So 3 times very fast I was clicking here. I was selecting all surfaces that are sharing same edges. So that triple click is really something I haven't seen in other software, but in this SketchUp you can select everything connected together with triple clicking. Also, if you click outside, you can deselect, or if you take where is it? Select none, Ctrl plus T from keyboard. You can also deselect that way. Okay, that's about selection, but also you can use this window selection. So if select tool is active and you drag with mouse, you can make selection windows. And now in this case I am selecting everything that is fully inside this area. So I can start selection here and end here, and I was able to select everything inside that area. But it works in a different way if you do it from right to left. As you can see, the line type is different, and it also takes everything that is partially inside that area. So small selection like this takes quite a lot. If you take a window selection like this, it takes nothing, because window takes everything that is fully inside, and this takes everything that is a little bit touching the area. So from right to left it selects more usually. So that was all about selecting. Oh, okay, and if you select an component, it looks like this, and you can double click the component to go in it. Then you can select something in it, like these surfaces can now be selected, and also these edges. And when you're inside a component, everything else is gray, and this little box here tells that you're inside a component. And if you select outside, then you can go back to normal situation.